Most organizations run governance, risk, and compliance as three disconnected silos, duplicating work, missing risks, and frustrating auditors. Boards and regulators increasingly demand a unified, evidence-based view of risk and control. Disconnected GRC is no longer defensible. This is where GRC Framework Implementation changes the picture. GRC Framework Implementation addresses this directly. It's a single, unified GRC operating model, the answer every regulator, board, and CISO is now asking for. Who is securing this? How? And with what evidence? Here is what working with us actually feels like. We begin by assessing your environment the way a real attacker would, using both manual expertise and rigorous testing to uncover the vulnerabilities that automated scanners often miss. From there, we build a clear, practical remediation roadmap that your engineering team can start acting on immediately. As improvements take shape, we work alongside your team to implement the necessary controls, ensuring security measures move beyond documentation and into practice. We then prepare you for the audit process itself, helping you organize evidence, rehearse responses, and approach every assessment with confidence. Finally, we guide you through certification readiness with the discipline of an auditor and the commitment of a trusted partner. Throughout the entire journey, you have complete visibility into every finding, every remediation effort, and every milestone. So progress is always transparent and never left to guesswork. Let's show you how on a quick call. Reach out today.